Create OPPO lock screen clock on One UI. Depth effect and big clock. Custom color. Remove background image. You can use filter map to background remove. Install OPPO on Play Store. Open web browser. Search Samsung One UI lock screen font GitHub. Download, release. Extract downloaded file. Install OPPO, big clock only. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock. Install Lockstar plugin. Run locks. Change wallpaper. Tap clock. 3 dot, then select OPPO, big clock. Choose clock style. Move clock. Custom clock color. Press locks. APP widgets. Photo widget, easy. A DD 2x2 widget. Tap widget setting. Browse, then add background removed image. Custom crop and APPLY. Scale image widget. Done. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video, coming soon.